Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magd.com. For all trade, okay, it is very important that we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. This video is for educational purposes only. Very, very important. It's neither, okay, a solicitation to buy or sell any financial instrument, okay, is, okay, to demonstrate to traders, okay, what they need to know, what they need to be aware of so they can make excellent day or swing trading decisions. All right. This is a free educational video, and the title of the video is How to Day Trade on Thursday. All right, I'm going to start drawing something on my chart. If you like my drawing, okay, put a comment below. All right, so I'm going to put the first day of the week is Monday, okay, and then I want to divide it nicely, okay. Then we have a Tuesday, okay, and then we have Wednesday, which is the middle of the week, okay. And then we have Thursday, and then we have Friday. It makes sense? Okay, I need to move this one a little bit here. Okay, so I will also put a vertical line here. So this is Thursday here. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, I will also change the color of Thursday to have your attention. All right. Okay, let's use red. Okay, to highlight Thursday. That's it. Okay, now, how do we day trade on Thursday? Now, recently I have recorded, the first video that I have recorded is about how to day trade on Wednesday. And we were paying attention to which economy news? The crude oil inventory. So there are some day traders every Wednesday. I know that, okay? Especially some of them are binary traders. Binary trading, check it on YouTube, binary trading, all right? They want to control the rate, they use binary trading. They come in every Wednesday. Every Wednesday, these type of traders, they trade on Wednesday. So they are watching the market, they holding, and while they are just playing, the game that they are playing is the crude oil game. They know that the crude oil inventory is due on Wednesday. As you can see, the week that is starting on the 26th of May, 2014. I explained to you also that sometimes they change it. So you can see that Wednesday is not here. The crude oil is not here this week. They move it to Thursday. Why? Because the bank holiday, we have a bank holiday on Monday in Great Britain and also a bank holiday in United States. Very often, if we have holidays like that, they may change it and put it on Thursday. Here it is, here. Crude oil inventory on Thursday. Normally, on Wednesday. But this video today is about how do we day trade on Thursday. So we have recorded a video about how we day trade on Wednesday. And we also recorded another video, okay, which we call how we day trade on Monday. What do we need to pay attention to? How professional day trade on Monday. What kind of mindset do they adopt? Which strategy is best for Mondays? Okay, so today we want to discuss which day trading strategy we can adopt on Thursday. These are real experience, okay, practical day trading strategy that we're going to discuss because we have traders that are using our TSTW24 trading tool, which is not a trading software, is not a trading software, has nothing to do with Elliott Wave. It's just based on the market stable data, market principle, a trading system that does not want to fight the market. Okay, that's all. So, Thursday, the economy news, ladies and gentlemen. So you may say to me, George, I'm a technical trader, I'm going away. No. I'm inviting you to stay with me, Okay, and pay attention. I was a technical trader. I am a technical trader. Why do we have to pay attention to the economy news? You remember the trading triangle, the market first, the sector, and the individual financial instrument, the heart of the trading triangles, the market leaders, the economy news, and the fundamentals. In fact, the heart of the trading triangle, that's what we are watching all the time. Boom, 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 boom. The heart beats. So if the market leaders are receiving a beating, the market also will receive a beating because the market leaders going down, they will pull the market down. Okay? It's like a weighting system. So if the economy news are bearish, they will drag the sentiment is bearish, the market will, the investor will start selling, yes or no. All right? So if the fundamentals are weak and the stock is going up, hey, the investor will continue to sell. They will just say to you that this stock is not going anywhere, and while you are day trading buying, they are just selling. The investor will continue to sell if they keep losing market share, coming up with a lot of warning after warning after warning, and they are not inventing anything new, innovation. Okay, that's the key for the success of all businesses. If you don't invent, the best competition is an invention. Companies that are gaining more market share are inventing excellent products, okay, providing excellent service, new services. Okay, that's how you can gain more market share. I do not believe in competition as such. I believe in more in an innovation. So you are innovating your skill, your day trading skill, improving your day trading skill, gaining more day trading power. You are innovating yourself. You are building your skills. So business are innovating, they are building, okay, they are firing power. So this is it. So on Thursday, the economy news that we are watching is what? The natural gas storage here. They put it yellow like this, telling us that this is a low impact news. The red one is a high impact news. The yellow one is low impact news. But I invite you, in fact, I need to send email to Forex Factory to change it to, okay, red. I would prefer them to put it in red. It will make more sense because other traders will think that it's low impact news, low impact expected. But no, it's not low impact. This economy news every Thursday, you will see it, all right? So Thursday, sometime professional, the market will be consolidating depending on what's going on, all right? Depending on other economy news also. So they are paying attention to other economy news, future economy news, looking ahead. It's like we are driving, looking ahead, look on your left-hand side, look in the mirror, okay? Look back, okay? So they are looking back, they are looking forward, okay? At the same time, now the hour is approaching at 10:30 a.m. Remember, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, every Thursday. The first thing that's coming to your mind is what? Natural gas storage. Now, here's before, I don't know, sometimes they will put the previous figure 106 billions. Here they didn't put the forecast. We'll see later, but sometimes there are some games that we can play with that, the forecast. This we can use, if they have the forecast here, we can use that forecast to play the crude oil inventory on on Wednesday. So it's just that it's not here yet, but this information here, sometimes if they have the forecast and the actual figures, if it's bearish for natural gas, we can use that to play crude oil on Wednesday. But I don't want to talk about that today. But all I want you to remember that 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time every Thursday, you think of what? The natural gas storage economy news. So you want to know more? Okay, what is this? Okay, let's click on it. The envelope, we click on the envelope, and we'll see what Forex Factory will bring to us. What's going on? Yes, it is here. Okay, energy information administration. All right. Changing the number of cubic feet of natural gas held in underground storage during the past week. All right. No consistent effect. There are both inflationary and growth implication released Friday after the weekend. Okay, while this is a U.S. indicator, it most affect the loonie. The loonie is what the U.S. card, okay, U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar currency pair. So so they say it mostly affected the loonie. The loonie is the USD card currency pair. You may say to me, George, oh, this is about forex. Oh, I can go down. No, no, no. It's about, okay, the financial market, okay, natural gas. So you can see some information here, all right? But what I want you to understand, you are a day trader, how do we use this news to play the market game, all right? The first thing we want to know when the economy is due. 10:30 is the time, that's 3:30 p.m. London time. All right? 3:30 p.m. London time. Now, very often, professional day traders pay attention to this economy, though they put it low impact. I would prefer Forex Factory to put it in red, so trader can pay attention to it more, okay? So on Thursday, let's go back to the chart, okay, which is, so the middle of the week is Wednesday, all right? So I explained to you the psychology that is taking place on Wednesday. So you are day trading or you are swing trading, come Wednesday, you want to secure your gain. That's the key point. We are in the middle of the week, which is Wednesday. I want to secure my gain. I want to take some profit. Soon the week will end. I'm careful. I don't want to give up my profit. So it's Wednesday, the middle of the week, okay? It's the median day of the week. Now, come Thursday, we are thinking of Friday. We say, oh, soon, all right, soon the week will end. How are we doing? Are we doing well? Okay, so if you are doing well, the mood is high. If you are doing badly, we are fighting, okay, to recover some losses and also to gain more, all right? So on Thursday, all this is going through the minds of traders. They say, oh, soon the week will end. They are thinking of how far they went this week. And if they have made some stupid decision, then we are willing to rectify that and get back in line before the week will close. At the same time, ladies and gentlemen, at 10:30 a.m., they know that these major economies, okay, which they are not aware of it, now they are aware of it, is due. So at 3:30 p.m. London time, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. So when professionals come into the market on Thursday, they are very careful. In fact, the best day trading opportunity will arise after 10:30 Eastern time. Even sometimes you will see it after 11, so 11 a.m. Eastern time, that's 4 p.m. London time. So professional will wait patiently for this news to be released, all right? If you have more gas, okay, that's bearish for the crude oil, yes or no? So we have the law of supply and demand. So we have more supply of gas, the price of gas will go down, yes. If we have less, so the price of gas will go up. So if the price of gas is going up, you have a bullish effect on the crude oil, okay? It's having a bullish effect on the crude oil, then, okay, it may affect the Euro USD bullishly, all right? So we want to be aware of that. That's why it's nice to see the forecast. If the forecast is here, that's why I said to you, we can use that information as a leading indicator to play carefully, not just, okay, carefully, the crude oil inventory. So here, this week, because of the bank holiday, the crude oil inventory is also moved from Wednesday to Thursday. So these economies are very close. So this one is due at 10:30, and the next one is due at 11 a.m. So in fact, for this week, we must wait until, okay, the crude oil inventory is released at 4 p.m. London time, 11 a.m. Eastern time. All right? So there are another group of day traders. So if the forecast is here, for instance, okay, it's not here now, and it's bearish, these type of speculators will come into the market on Thursday. So they will start selling, okay, they'll start selling the Euro USD, selling crude oil, because they are thinking that the forecast is correct, okay? So they are just speculating that, okay, the forecast is bearish, we will sell. The forecast is bullish, they will buy. So these are aggressive market participants. They are speculating that, okay, because the forecast is bearish, they should sell. If the forecast is bullish, they should buy. But sometimes the forecast does not get it right, okay? And they have to, okay, close their trade. But they don't give a damn about it. They just, that's the way they trade. This is their mindset, okay? So we want to be aware of this type of traders. But as the hour is approaching for this news to be released, sometimes you may see that the market will be consolidating. Though, as I show you now, Forest Factory has put it as a low impact news. We should put it as a high impact news, okay? I'm going to go now to the 30-minute chart. Let's see. So, okay. That's fine. This is last Thursday here. And we are on the 30-minute chart for Intel. Let's see this candle here. I want traders, that's this is okay, 12, 11:30, 11 a.m. 10:30. You see where I place my vertical line here? That's 10:30 here. Okay, it's not making sense, this one. Now, it's not too bad. All I will say to traders is that very often, what usually takes place, when a news is released, sometimes we may not see a quick reaction, okay, in the market, okay? You may not see it being too volatile, and you will say, Joe, what do you mean by high impact? What do you mean by low impact? There's no volatility like we see for the non-farm economy data. So the market will be quiet, like nothing has happened, and people just continue to day trade like they were day trading, but slowly but gradually, as seen all the time, you'll see that the momentum will start building, okay? So that's why I want you to be aware of, because sometimes a lot of day traders are not aware of it on Thursday, that this economy news is playing on the mind of the professional. As the data is released, okay, professionals that were wrong know that they are in trouble because the news is going to go against them. They will slowly but gradually hedging their position, okay, closing their trade, reducing their risk exposure, managing their portfolio carefully, because they know that, wow, look at that. We have more crude oil than expected. Okay, it's very, okay, bearish for crude oil. I thought it's going to be bearish, okay? So they will start adjusting their portfolio gently, gently, gently. And this is going on. You will see very often the price, okay, will just go like nowhere. You just wonder why the news, this is very important for traders to understand. You may be thinking, why the news is bullish, but the price is not going anywhere. Be patient, be patient. The price will be just doing all kind of things, and you'll be thinking, well, what's the point, George? What's the point, George? Shut up, George. Thursday, for God's sake, I should stick to my own strategy. But no, but then slowly, all right, you will see it, and it will come back, and the price will respond, okay? So we want to use, okay, market pattern. So if the news bullish, you want to buy, you want to apply the market pattern, come out of the bearish channel, and then start going up, all right? Sometimes you will see all the way through the night, but do not forget that economy news, even up to Friday morning, is on the mind of the traders, and the professional are aware of it, and the market will respond to it. The problem that I faced myself in the past when I was a new trader, I will be trading on Thursday, and I find it funny, and sometimes traders that are new usually stay in the market too long, so they don't trade 2 hours only. They remain in the market maybe until London is closed, especially for those who are trading American stock or trading Forex. But London is closing at 5 p.m., okay? London time, that's 12 p.m. Eastern time, okay? So if I click on this candle here, if you look in this session here on the a top left hand corner. Keep watching there, keep your eyes here, and I'm going to click on this candle here. You see here, Thursday, okay, 5/22/14. That's Thursday. The 5 represents the month of May, 22nd of May, the year 2014. It's a Thursday. So you see where I place my vertical line. In fact, I'm going to put it here, which is exactly the time when London is closed. Yeah. So this candle here opens when London, okay, is closing. So it closed at okay, 5:30 p.m. London time. That's 12:30 p.m. London time. But it opened exactly. So you can see that right here, as this where I put my vertical line. Okay. That's the time when London is closed. So because the news release, okay, just few hours before London is closed, which is 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, that's 3:30 p.m. London time, and the market will just go blah, 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 blah. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not responding. I'm doing my own thing. And then London will be closed, okay? I want you to remember the closing time of London. And then London will be closed, and then you will see the price slowly, and then the market may change direction, all right? Or the price or the market may respond to the economy news. All right? So you see now, you are a technical day trader, okay? But you want to understand that the economy news can change the dynamics of the market. So crude oil is a market indicator, as I explained to you. So we're talking about gas in the same category, okay? So in fact, what I explained to what I was telling you before, the natural gas storage data is a leading indicator for the crude oil inventory. Sometimes we can pay attention to the forecast of the natural gas storage to have a bit of idea what is likely to happen to crude oil. If the forecast for the natural gas is accurate, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, so we have it behind our head, so to speak, all right? So we know if the forecast is bearish for the natural gas, which is normally due on Thursdays, okay? Now, on Wednesday, day before Thursday, we know that the forecast for natural gas is bearish. The first thing that's coming to our mind is to be a little bit bearish, but carefully bearish. But we will wait until the data for crude oil, okay, is bearish. If, for instance, the forecast for natural gas, which is due on Thursday, is bearish, and then on Wednesday, the actual figure for the crude oil inventory is also bearish, we know that there's a high chance that the Euro USD may go down, or the market, in fact, will go down. Now, remember, do not just trade economy news. What we are doing, we are trading the price, okay? So at the time and the place where we're going to enter the trade, we will not violate the market pattern, we will not violate the rising channel, the declining channel, the market principles, okay? Very important. So we are using the mind game. So we're going to the mind by using economy news. We are going to the mind of fundamental traders. We are going to the mind of professional traders. We are trying to adopt the mindset of professional traders to make excellent decisions. If we are wrong, well, we don't want to fight the market. Yes, we are wrong sometimes. So what? Okay, we are wrong. If we know we are wrong, we come out. You can come out anytime, okay? So this is what we are trying to do, all right? So on Thursday, it will be completely crazy not to be aware of the natural gas storage and how to play it. It's affecting crude oil, which is a market indicator, and the market indicator will affect the markets, all right? So we want to be ready, okay? And we want to know how to play it. And what I recommend to traders, after this economy news release, wait until London is closed. Let's see whether we'll see another example for you for the Euro USD. We're going to go now because, okay, again, looking for Thursday. Okay, this Thursday here. And I'm looking for, all right, where's my vertical line? It's here. I'm looking for Thursday. Yes, yes. I'm looking for London closing time. 12:30. What's going on here? Oh, that's AM there. Okay, my apologies, traders. Be patient with me as I'm getting a bit. That's it. That's 12 p.m. here. Okay, that's the candle here. Okay, what I want you to do is to keep watching this session here. Okay, right here. Keep your eyes there, and I'm going to put a vertical line where we see here Thursday. Okay, May 22, 14, 5 for May 22, year 14. Okay, the time is 12:00 p.m. You see that? That's exactly the time I want you to watch. That's when London is closed at 5 p.m. Okay. At 5 p.m. London time, that's 12 p.m. Eastern time. Wait for this candle to close, okay? Here it is. And then you want to use the market pattern what the price was doing before. So on this day, again, I'm on a 30-minute chart. Okay, you can use a 10-minute chart. What has happened here? The price was in a declining channel. Now you can see that it tried to be bullish first, and then it went above, okay, it went above the declining channel, and then hold it down, and then went up, okay? You want to catch that change of trend, okay, after London is closed. Now, you see here, there's a support here. Pay attention here, what this section here, okay? So you see the tail of this candle here, okay, on the 30-minute chart, okay? Use your trading tool. So if I'm on a 30-minute chart like this, okay, and I see this like this is my kind of a setup. I may go to the 5-minute chart, look for signal, and then maybe okay, select a 3-minute chart as my entry time frame to zoom into it properly instead of entering the trend on the 30-minute chart, okay? And as I explained to you, there are day traders that come in every Thursday and we play these economy news, the natural gas storage economy news. So for technical point of view, we want to wait until London is closed, all right? So the news is released. We want to digest the news, so to speak, analyze the news, interpret the news, understand the news, see the implication of the news, okay, onto the market. But we want to wait for the price to confirm the market sentiment. The news can be bearish, but the price may not reflect the sentiment straight away. So we don't want to fight the price, as I said to you, indirect signal, direct signal. We're waiting for the price to confirm it using, okay, the market patterns. All right, this is one thing we need to pay attention to when we are day trading on Thursday. It's because crude oil is a market indicator, will affect the Euro USD, which is the leading currency pair. And also on Thursday, New York has just opened. New York will open at 2:30 p.m. London time. That's 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So on Thursday, you are day trading the stock market, okay, when New York is open. You don't want to just place too many trades around, okay, doing your own thing on your screen, day trading like a mad day trader, all right? You know how traders are. They are in their room, busy day trading, okay? Maybe the lady is calling, all right? You don't want to answer that call. You're under pressure. Or you at work, okay? Day trading with other traders, you zoom into it with your two eyes like eagle. You are not blinking, you are watching, okay? But what you want to understand is that you want to know that this economy news, though is low impact news, as a Forex Factory put it, all right, know that it may have some implication into the market. So you don't want to have too many trades all over the place. And then, for instance, you're not aware of it, okay? You are trading the stock market in America during the New York session, and you, at exactly, okay, 12, okay, p.m. Eastern time, you saw, Okay, when a market is about to change direction, you don't know. You don't know that the market is about to change direction, and it was going down the whole day. So you want to sell, or you were selling before, you were happy, okay, or you were trading during the London session, you were selling, or New York has just opened, you didn't pay attention to this economy news, you were selling. Yeah, it was working, but you don't know that soon the market will change. If you have too many bearish position open as a day trader, when the market is about to go up for a while, it's not something that is very suitable, something that we recommend to trader to do. So by knowing what is taking place, what is happening, because the professional will step back, they know. So as New York open at 2:30, okay, p.m. London time, 9:30 Eastern time, they know that they are not going to rush into the market. Sometimes you will see that the best scenario, which we will prefer, is to see the market consolidating. Okay, so instead of going down or going up, we will prefer it to be consolidating, which means maybe the forecast is very, very bullish or very, very bearish. So no one will just go and disregard the forecast. So everybody's very careful. So all day long, everybody's just careful. So probably going to a resistance level, okay? The bull will dump it, the bear will sell it, come to a support level, the bear will dump it, the bull will take over again, and it just consolidating nicely ups and down. Because no one wants to challenge the forecast, because either the forecast is too bullish or it's too bearish, and no one wants to mess up with it, all right? Or either economy news due the next day, all right? Especially if it's the first week of the month. So you will notice that next day, which is Friday, is the non-farm economy news. For that reason, ladies and gentlemen, you want to be more careful, okay? You want to be very, very careful, all right? But the key thing you want to understand, draw the line for the London to close on your 30-minute chart, wait for that candle to close first, and be very, very patient, all right? Another thing I need to say to traders when we are trading on Thursdays, okay, as we have done for Mondays, okay, is for Thursday, we can do something else very simple. We go to the daily charts. This is another technical, okay, strategy, technical trading strategy. So here we are. So we are on a daily chart now for the Euro USD. This is Friday. This is Thursday here. We will go to the daily chart. We will highlight. You know what I'm going to say now. Okay, now you get a picture. We highlight the high, okay, of Wednesday, the low of Wednesday, which is already highlighted by the blue line, and also the median line of Wednesday. Okay, so we are watching it. So if the price very often, if the price is at a high, if the price close, so you can see Wednesday, it closed near the median line of the range of Wednesday. So it's at okay, it's psychological price level. The median line is a psychological price level. If the price was here, the closing price was near the high, and we want to be bullish, we would prefer it to go above the high and find a support, break above, retest, turn around. But because it's near the median line, it's critical, okay? It's psychological price level. So we'll be very patient. What has happened, so we will highlight all this level here, if you like, okay? So you go, you highlight the high, the low, and the median line of Wednesday. We are talking about trading on Thursday. So as the market did open on Thursday, we have this ready. We were agile day traders. We are hunters. We are eager day traders, okay? So we have this ready, okay, on our chart. Okay, put the median line in green. Okay, and I will call the low in blue, okay? All right, so remember the high is in red, the high of Wednesday is red, the median is green, and the low is blue. So now, from this point onward, we will switch now. So, suppose we were here on Thursday, all right, the 22nd of May, we are here, and we will highlight it like this, the range of Wednesday like this, and then we just go. I prefer my 3-minute chart, okay? All right, so now, if you are using a trading system, you are following the rules of the trading system, of course, okay? So now, so on the 10-minute chart because many days have gone already. So I'll go, maybe I'll see all my number on the 10-minute chart. I can see them all here now. So this is, you see, this is the median line here. You can see this is Thursday, okay? So Thursday, we are on a 10-minute chart watching. You see it was hanging around here. This is a beautiful double bottom below the median line. I will definitely try to take part into this. Double bottom, you see? Okay? But it's playing on the mind of professionals, you see? they don't want to, what time is this? Let's see. That's in the morning, you see, London session. Okay? 30 minutes after London open, we have a double bottom below. We push it up. But then, after that, you see, the news start playing on their mind, and blah, 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 blah. We dip below. So deep below is here, first, the median line. Retest it, but you see, it sold it down. But quickly, it went back above the previous low. The low before the last low is what? A psychological price level, yes or no? The low before the last low is a psychological price level. How do we know the last low? By drawing the channel, yes or no? Okay? Yeah? The low before the last low is a psychological price level. We can play this on any time frame. Either we are swing trading using the TSCWSY008 or day trading, we can use the psychological price level. Okay, so here it is. It went back above the median line of Wednesday, and but didn't remain too long in a rising channel and come out again. The channel will tell you what's going on, so you don't fight the market. Okay, you don't want to fight it. As a day trader, you don't want to fight it. So then it's just rolling. And here it is, London is closed. You remember our red vertical line. Okay? So you want to know what I want you to remember. The high, the low, and the median line, the high, the low, and the median line of Wednesday. You may see excellent signal around this level. Here, it will be better for the price to allow it to come all the way here straight away. You can see sometimes the price should go to a better place. This is the one thing you need to be aware of. It can mix up your trade sometimes. When some traders, you see, the price was that it will be better for allowing all the way here. That will be a safer place. Okay? I don't understand, but people push it up here. But slowly, it trying again to come here. No, people forcing it up. And finally, they just crash it back below again. Because it will be better. If I see some setup like this, I worry a lot because I'm thinking it would be better to buy here. Okay, now we are buying here. See, it went up, but somebody does not like it, and it just gone, and then finally, now we go below it again, you see? If you draw the channel like this, the high, the low, and the median line, do not forget the median line of the smaller channel, you see, the blue line and the green line. Sometimes you may see some beautiful setup, which means instead of the price going back and retest this, sometimes be aware of the median line of the smaller channel, which is somewhere here, okay? If you like, I can draw it now. Okay. So on Thursday, we'll highlight the high, the low, and the median line of Wednesday. These are key levels. We know that the price is always going from one key level to the next key level. We can also compare, okay, Thursday to the fourth Elliott wave. All right. This has nothing to do with Elliott wave, but I need to mention that to traders. I'm going to go back again. Was the weekly chart? Okay. Was Intel? One second, please. Okay. Let's bring back again Intel and see. It was Intel. Okay. The point I'm making to traders is that Thursday is the fourth day of the month of the week. Okay, 4 days of the month. Of what am I talking? The fourth day of the week. That's the fourth days of the week. Okay. We can compare it to the four. Okay, the fourth wave. Okay, the fourth wave. So we say Monday, first wave, second wave. Now this has nothing to do with Elliott wave. I want traders to just understand the first day is Monday, second day is Tuesday, Thursday, third day is Wednesday, and the fourth day is Thursday. So which is the day before the last day of the week. Sometimes you will see it. sometimes you'll see it on Monday. Sometimes you will see that the price may go up, okay, and then Tuesday you will see it will come down, and then Wednesday it will go up, and then come Thursday it will go down, and then come Monday, and then again it will go up. Sometimes you will see something like this. On Monday like this, you will see the price will go down, okay? That's why it's tricky for trader to trade on Monday. The price is going to go up, but the smart money want to buy at the best place. So Monday, they come in, they want to buy, they will sell first. So price going down to the best place where there is a value. So price go down Monday. Okay, Tuesday, the price start going up. Okay, start going up. And then Wednesday, price pull back a bit. And then Thursday, price go up again. Okay, and then on Friday, the price may pull back a bit again. All right, be aware of it. Especially on Monday, it's a tricky day. You see sometimes the price will go down, and Tuesday the price will do the opposite. Or Monday the price will go up, and Tuesday the price will pull back before going up. Let's look at Apple stock. I think we have that recently. So the reason why I want you to remember Thursday, like the fourth way, is to see the rhythm of the market. What the price has done on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, will influence what is likely to happen on Thursday. And if you are trading on Wednesday, on Thursday, we want to pay attention to Wednesday. That's why we highlight the high, the low, and the median line. Traders who understand the candlestick pattern may also pay attention to the candlestick pattern, okay, on Wednesday if you are trading on Thursday, okay? So this is Apple stock. I'm going to go to the daily charts, okay? And here it is. This week has closed. It's Friday. This is Thursday here, okay? This Thursday here, all right? Pay attention to what has happened here. So there was this doji candle here. This is a doji, followed by what? A bullish candle, okay? So there, this is what we call indecision, okay? Price went down, but close up here, all right? Okay? So following day, which is Wednesday here, the price opens here and close up bullishly. So the indecision is quite, they was bullish before. So you see here, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So Monday, the price went up, yes or no, okay? It went up. This is not a trading system. This is to explain to traders the mind game in trading, what is taking place, what we need to be aware of, what we need to know to avoid, okay, trading mistake, and also to make excellent decisions. What we need to know to understand other market participants, to go into their mind, okay, to read their mind, okay, so we can make a better decision. This is the exercise that we are doing. We are sharing real-time trading, day trading experience for Thursdays. So you can see that on Monday, what has happened here for Apple stock, the stock went up. Very often, it went up. Everybody say, well, Apple is going to be bullish. What's going on? If they want to buy, if they miss the boat, they will prefer to pull back. So let me remove my line so you can follow what I'm trying to do here. Okay, if you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, okay, please give us the thumbs down. Okay, all right, very important for us to know whether you like it or dislike it. All right, we want to know. Okay, if you dislike it, we want to know. Okay, some traders, they are, okay, they say, George, I don't want to dislike your video. I like it. Okay, I like what you are doing generally. I don't. But if you don't like one particular video, okay, give us thumbs down. If you like it, like it. But if you want to, you have any comment, put it below. We want to know. Okay, we want to know. Okay. Sometimes traders ask questions. They say, George, I'm waiting for my reply. Sometimes your replies is in another video. Okay, we are recording a video all the time, and I answer some questions today in this video for some traders. Okay. Sometimes I will send a video to the trader directly. Sometimes I will answer the question in another video. Okay, this is to encourage traders, okay, to watch our video. Now, you can see this is Monday, yes or no? So we highlight the high, the median line, and the low of Monday. You see the first black line, second black line, and the third black line, okay? So come Tuesday, we are watching it, all right? the best place we want to buy if it's going to be bullish, you see, they push it back down near the median line. But what? They bought it again. That's why the price closed up here. You see how beautiful it was, the median line, the psychological price level. Pay attention to it. Monday, highlight the high, the low, and the median line. And wait, Tuesday, you'll see that sometime. If it was bullish, they will push it down to the median line. And then from there, they take it, push it up. This is a bullish candle. Though it's an indecision, you see, if you see the reaction, it was bearish, but to the psychological price level, the median line. And then they push it and close it there, leave it there. The next day was messy, a bit messy, because though the price did open here, it went back down again to retest the sell level. So the bear want to sell, okay? So they push it back again to the median line on the dot this time. Like now, the price run and close bullishly. Coming Thursday, this is Thursday now, you see? It's Thursday now. But we are looking always on our left-hand side, if you are trading, the resistance is the high of Monday here. So you see, it went above it, but it was quite indecision there. This is normal for Thursday. You will see that very often on Thursday. Because of that, natural gas story sometimes, the market open, went up. Let's go on Thursday and see exactly what has happened. Okay, I'm going to go again to my 30-minute chart. And this is Thursday. This is the session of Thursday. You can see that when the market New York did open, oops, I moved some line here. Okay. The price went down first, you see. It went down before going up. Where is the time when London did close? Okay, let's see. We are looking for the I'm looking for the, keep looking here, we are looking for the 12, okay, p.m. Okay, here, this one, exactly this one, you see. Can you see? Thursday, 5th, to look on the top left-hand corner, the 5th, 22nd, okay. The year is 14 and 12:00 p.m. That's exactly the time when London did close. Look, you see, on Thursday, okay? On Thursday, do not forget to do that. You draw your vertical line, and here it is. Look, it pulled back nicely, okay, near the median line, okay? And then, bye-bye, goodbye, my dear. All right, you see now? Beautiful. You just run. Beautiful, isn't it? So this is how we want to day trade on Thursday. We want to pay attention to the natural gas storage, which is also a market indicator. The natural gas storage economy news, which I need to tell traders. In my personal view, okay, it's a high impact news. Traders at the beginning of the week must check this natural gas storage economy news. In the past, we used to see the forecast right here. I don't know why we don't see it now, but as the week it's going on, you will see that they will put the forecast here. For us, it's a great indicator, a leading market indicator, the natural gas storage. It will even assist us to forecast what is likely to take place for the crude oil inventory. It's not all about technical trading alone. We will draw the high, the low, the median line of Wednesday if you are trading on Thursdays. But we want to be aware of the mind game. Though we are day trading, we don't want to expose ourselves too much. We want to control the risk. We want to know that at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, this economy news is due, okay? And we want to know what kind of impact it may have on the news. But we have another tool. We use the closing time of London, that on the 30-minute chart, that 30-minute candle. So from must close, okay? Must close, all right? Must close. And we are watching the price itself to reflect the market sentiment. If the news is bearish, we can't just go and sell. We will wait for the price to reflect the market sentiment. If the news is bullish, we will not just go and buy. We will wait for the price to confirm, okay, the market sentiment. We, as a day trader, one thing, whether we are trading on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, or any other day, we are always using the trading triangle, the market first, the sector, before the individual financial instrument, the heart of the trading triangle, the market leaders, the economy news, and the fundamental. We are using that all the time, though we are day traders, okay? We are also adhering to the trading drill, the setup. Spend more time on the setup. The setup, here, this is a fundamental setup, okay? It's not a technical setup first, it's a fundamental setup. Okay, we are paying attention to the economy news. We are trying to, okay, go into the mind of other traders. This is a fundamental setup. Okay, now we will now play the technical setup later. But first, we are playing the fundamental setup. If you are trading a crude oil inventory, we are playing a fundamental setup. Okay, it's not a technical setup. But then we will switch to the technical setup because we are technical traders. Then we pay attention to the price and follow the trading drill. Another thing I need to say to traders in this video, when we are trading on Thursday, understand what is going through the mind of traders. The next day is Friday. It's the end of the week. Traders that are making profit up to Thursday, everything looking good, they don't want to give back their profits, all right? Some of them will decide to take some profits on Thursday, especially if Thursday happened to be the first Thursday of the month, which means the first week of the month, we have major economy news that are due, the non-farm economy news, the ADP non-farm economy news. These economy news will impact on the markets, all right? So if it happens to be the first Thursday of the month, which means the next day, which is the first Friday of the month, we have the non-farm economy news. So we need to be more defensive, very defensive, all right? Now I'm trying to get your attention, all right? So we want to be careful, all right? We don't want to just do our own thing. And also, another thing I need to mention to traders is that we must always, okay, be a multi-talented day traders. What do I mean by that, okay? When we are applying one strategy, we don't want to forget everything else. Sometimes traders will focus on one strategy and they forget the market pattern, they forget the trading triangle, they forget the trading drill, and they end up losing, okay? This is very important. There's another economy news that is due on Thursday. Do you know which one? Do you know which economy news? The unemployment claims. Here it is on Thursday. You see, unemployment claim, the US. They put it here, it's a high impact news. So, apart from the natural gas storage, at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, okay, we have what we call the unemployment claim. This is about, okay, if you want to know, let's go and read it. So you don't take my word for it. Take, okay, Forest Factory word for it. Let's go to Forest Factory again. And here we are. And let's read it, okay? The number of individuals who filed, okay, for unemployment, who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. Unemployment claim numbers for the last week. So for a country where people are claiming more, okay, job allowance, where people are unemployed, okay, so it's not good for the economy, yes or no? It's not good for the currency. It's not good for the stock markets. So if business are making money, they will not get rid of people. They will start recruiting more people. So the job creation or the unemployment claim is a very, very important economy indicator for us. So business are doing well, they will take on more employees, okay? They will be willing to recruit more people, which means the number of people claiming from unemployment should go down. So you may say, George, for God's sake, I'm living in Shanghai. I live in London, I have nothing to do with the US economy. Do you trade any financial instrument? All right? You are talking about the financial market. What is affecting the economy in China will have some implication on the Eurozone because the Eurozone is exporting goods with China. They are partners, yes or no? All right? So their relationship is like husband and wife. If the husband is sick or the wife is sick, okay, one of them may not be happy. Okay, they can't enjoy themselves very much. Okay, if your wife is sick, you can say to her, let's go and have a party, you enjoy herself. Okay, so the same thing is happening in the financial market. People will say, I don't want to know, George, I don't want to know, it's too much for me. I want to keep it simple. Yes, keep it simple, but be aware of it. So this economy news talking about the unemployment claim, if the forecast, okay, if the actual figure, okay, is strictly inferior to the forecast, okay, it's good for the currencies, it's good for the economy, which means if less people, okay, the number of people claiming for unemployment allowance is going down, okay, it's good for the economy, which means they are recruiting more people. So here it is, okay, for next week, you see here, the previous figure is 326,000. The K represent 1,000, 226K, 326,000 people, okay, filed for unemployment claim, okay, the previous week. Now, this is the forecast. The forecast is not always accurate. It's not always exact, okay? So the forecast here, they say there will be less people. So 321 compared to 326, okay? The forecast is bullish because the forecast, okay, is lower than the previous figure, okay? But if the actual figure, which is, this is the space for the actual figure, which will be released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Thursday, which is 1:30 p.m., okay, London time. You see, if you are trading the first 3 hours when London is open and you are going away, all right, until New York is open, you'll be avoiding this economy news that I do around 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time because that's 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You are not in the market. All right, as a day trader, you are not in the market, okay? All right? So at 8:30 Eastern Time, the unemployment claim, this economy news, a high-impact economy news, will also affect the market. So beginning of Thursday alone, you see, the professionals are paying attention to economy news. All this is going to the mind. The unemployment claim is released before New York is open. So if it was very, very bearish, okay, you see Bloomberg start talking about, unemployment is going up, and the market sentiment is bearish, all the financial, news will be pumping all this bearish data to the market before the market is open, and everybody starts selling. Oh yes, I'm fed up, and they start selling. Yes or no? They start selling. They are bearish. Everybody there, I'll have to close these trades bearish. Blah 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 blah. And then the dust has settled. So went down. Now, which economy news? The natural gas storage. They know it's coming out. So the first one is the unemployment claim. The second one is the natural gas storage due on Thursday. Draw the high, the low, and the median line for Wednesday. And on Thursday, go to the 30-minute chart and draw the vertical line at the time when London is closed. All right? Apart from these two economy news on Thursday, do not forget any other economy news, though they are not, recurrent economy news for every Thursday, but very often, not always, the unemployment claim and the natural gas storage is released on Thursdays. Sometimes they may move it to Friday, but very often it's on Thursday. The crude oil inventory is very often on Wednesday. As you can see this week, they move it to Thursday because this week, Monday, is a holiday in the United States and also in London. If you are day trading on Thursday, and a Thursday happens to be the last day of the month, what do? We go to the monthly chart, okay? If you are trading on Thursday, and Thursday happens to be the first day of the month, we go to the monthly charts. If a Thursday is the first day or the last day of a quarter of a year, we go to the quarterly chart or we go to the yearly chart. What are we looking for? We are looking for key levels. The price always going from one key level to the next key levels. So we go to the monthly chart, we will highlight, okay, for this month, as you can see, For this week, we are the monthly chart now. Okay, I have too many lines on my chart. I can remove some of them now because I finished with them, but I don't want to remove the short-term equilibrium price level and long-term equilibrium price level for Apple stock. Okay, so this week, starting the 26th of May 2014, okay, Thursday this week will be the last Thursday of the month, yes or no? So it's crucial for us to go to the monthly chart, okay, and pay attention to the monthly market pattern. Did not say price pattern, market patterns, okay? So for this Apple stock, okay, if you allow me to draw my channel like this, okay, I can extend it. I can extend it. I want to make a line parallel to the first one. Are they parallel now? Okay, if you agree, that's it. Okay, kind of. So the market pattern, now you can see that it's a kind of bullish market pattern. So we will pay attention to the key levels. So this is what I'm saying. The Thursday of this week is the last Thursday of the month of May 2014. So we will go to the monthly chart and pay attention to the key levels on the monthly chart. The short-term equilibrium price level is 56329. Long-term equilibrium price level 51037. But now, looking at this, my channel here, the price may continue and retest the edge of this channel and find a resistance before pulling back a bit near the short-term equilibrium price level. That remains to be seen. But there's another key level here. You see this zone here, ultimate, okay, because the price starts going down from this zone, yes or no? All right? So as it starts going up, this is another subject that I need to explain to traders, okay? Talking about cycle point. So the price start going down from here. So the bear were dominating the market, they are selling. Now the bulls start bringing it back up, okay? So talking about the third psychological price level is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Now, this video is not about how to trade the third psychological price level, which I will be recording soon for traders, all right? But if we draw, for instance, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the bullish move that has started here, I want to, okay, so price went down from here to this point, okay? So during that time, which market participants are dominating the market? The bear, because how do we know? Because the price will display lower lows, lower high in a declining channel. It's a bearish progression from here to here. Now the price start going up, yes or no? Okay, the price start going up. Okay, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is a psychological price level, which is almost below the short-term equilibrium price level here. That's the black line just below the turquoise line, okay? All right? That's the 50%. So the price down, so the bear that were dominating the market, you see that the bull has taken more than 50% of their gain. So suppose you were position trading, you were selling, you were swing trader, you were selling, and you were selling, you believe that Apple is going to go down more. But if you give back more than 50% of your profit, if you see it come back here, you give back, suppose you make all this profit down here, now you don't want to close your trade, you believe that it's going to go down more. If you give back 50% of your profit, as the price come back to 50%, you will be taking, okay, all right, I'm not going to push it anymore. I'm not going to be too greedy. I'll take half of my profit. I give back 50% of my profit, but I'm not prepared to give back more than 50% of my profit. That's why the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is a psychological price level. So the price is above the psychological price level. But the ultimate target of this bullish momentum, the bulls would like to recover all this loss because during that time they lost it. The long-term investor lost all this. So the ultimate target, looking at the monthly chart, we are talking about Thursday, that is the last Thursday of the month. So we go to the monthly chart, we want to analyze the market pattern and go into the mind of monthly traders, what's going on there. This is what I'm doing here now. So the ultimate goal of this bull is to bring the price back to the cycle point. CSTWS, what as usual, 8 traders. If you watch the tutorials on our website, you know what is a cycle point. Okay? The ultimate target is here. Though there's another, the edge of the channel, we need to be aware of it, which is at the 78% Fibonacci retracement level on the edge of the channel for Apple stock. If you find a resistance there, you may try to seek the short-term equilibrium price level. If the bulls maintain their momentum, the ultimate target is here. So if a Thursday happened to be the last Thursday of the month, we go to the monthly chart, we draw the channel as I show you. Do not forget the median line of the channel. You want to know where are the key levels. The price always going from one key level to the next key level, but in a rising or a declining or horizontal channel. So this is what we are doing, all right? And if a Thursday is the first, okay, Thursday of the month, okay, we know that the first week of the month can be very busy, and we need to be very careful. If a Thursday happens to be the first, okay, day of a quarter or the last day of a quarter, we go to the quarterly chart. Do not be afraid of the quarterly chart. If you see, the first day of the year, last day of the year, we go to the yearly chart. We will do exactly the same thing. Know the key levels, okay, support, resistance, trend line, channels. Where is the price? Where is the price likely? A candle is about to close, all right? Where are we heading? Okay, where are we heading? Okay, so June, so we are in the month of May. So we are now on the quarterly chart. The bulls are dominating. They will, you see, we have this channel. They will prefer to continue on the bullish note up to the edge of it here. But as the price going down, the price does not go in straight line. It go up, down, up, down, up, down. But they are aiming to push it here. The ultimate goal is to bring it back completely here, but that will take longer time. But depending on what sort of trader we are talking about day trading, we are short-term market participant. So we want to take advantage of the short-term, okay, day trading, okay, signal day trading opportunities. So on Thursday, two economy news. The first one is the unemployment claim in the United States, and the second one is the natural gas storage at 10:30 a.m. This economy news can change the dynamics of the market, whether we are trading forex, stocks, or commodities. As a day trader, we do not want to fight the market, especially in the short term. We don't have the whole day, we don't have the whole week. That's why for a day trader, it's crucial for us to flow with the markets. And as you can see on Wednesday, as I explained to you in a video that we call How to Day Trade on Wednesday, How to Day Trade on Monday, there are some economy news, there are some strategy that the professionals are using. And the same thing we are doing now on Thursday. On Thursday also, we are watching Friday. And we don't want to give back our profit if we have been making profit from Monday to Thursday. So some traders will take profit on Thursday because they don't want to go to the volatility of Friday. On Friday, the same thing happened again like on Monday. So on Monday, we talk about portfolio adjustment, portfolio management, trade management, risk control, all right? This kind of activity takes place on Mondays, all right? If you have not watched the video that I call How to Day Trade on Monday, go to www.youtube.com/George Trio and watch that video. So this is what's happened on Monday. So on Friday, similar situation also will arise. We will be recording another video that will explain to traders how to day trade on Fridays. So come Thursday, professionals already thinking of Friday. They know that there will be portfolio adjustment, portfolio management, hedging activity taking place on Fridays, like on Monday. So on Thursday, though we have these two economy news playing on our mind, we are also thinking ahead, looking at, Friday. For traders that understand either way, we know that there is equality between the first wave and the last wave and the fifth wave. The same thing. There is a similarity between Monday and Friday. Okay? There's also similarity between the fourth wave and Thursday. But this has nothing to do with area wave. It's all about mind game. It's all about how the market is feeling. Is the market bearish? Is the market bullish? What can make the market bullish? A good news can make market bullish. very bullish economy news. So you are in Bombay and you see in the United States they have maybe 400,000 job creation this month. Well, though this has nothing to do with the economy in India, when the stock market open in India, you'll see that, okay, the market will be bullish because the market is global. Good news for China, it's good news for Europe, good news for Europe, it's good news for America, the market is global. As a day, one of the mistakes that a lot of day traders are making consistently, they don't want to learn exactly the nitty-gritty of day trading. They want to come in, plug their stochastic, their RSI, their moving averages, and then do their thing and go. But it's more to that. As I'm sharing with you the experience, the thing that you need to be aware of, how do you play, how do you do it, okay? So you are growing, you are you know exactly what's going through the mind of professional traders, and you are trying to adopt the same mindset and do exactly the same thing. I hope you have learned something for the video also, and we'll put it to use, okay, to make excellent day trading decision on Thursday. Pay attention to the natural gas storage economy news. Pay attention to the unemployment claim news on Thursday. It's not all about technical alone. It's about combining the technical and the fundamentals. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.